हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 8 रिसर्च मेथडोलॉजी एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन के रिलेटेड 150 क्वेश्चन कवर करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन रिसर्च गुड हाइपोथेसिस emerge from a discussion, B literature search, C observation, D reasoning. Right answer is B literature search. Question 2, delimitation of research report refer to A setting limits to the problem of the research, B limitation of research in studying problem, C defining the research problem, D all of the above. Right answer is A setting limits to the problem of the research. Question number 3, the statistical technique employed for asserting objectivity of a test is A comparison, B covariance, C correlation, D t-test. Right answer is C correlation. Question 4, research is a disciplined activity but its end always A are guided by strong philosophical system, B controlled by the state authorities, C remain open, D have to be directed by researchers themselves. Right answer is C remain open. Question 5, when quantitative method of research is used, data are normally gathered with the help of A instruments/questionnaires, B very precise techniques, C co-researchers, D experimental procedures. Right answer is A instruments/questionnaires. Question 6, a descriptive study such as population survey describes and interprets A what it is, B what was, C what had been, D what is likely to be. Right answer is A what is. Question 7, no variable in the research study may possibly be measured unless the researcher gives it A hypothetical basis, B independent evaluation, C descriptive explanation, D operational definition. Right answer is D operational definition. Question 8, random sample which truly represent the population from which it is taken is also called A chance sample, B purposive sample, C systematic sample, D classified sample. Right answer is A chance sample. Question 9, the core philosophical research lies in A logical analysis of idea, B understanding of value system, C information processing, D critical analysis. Right answer is D critical analysis. 10, the historical researchers obtains data by A direct observation of the phenomena, B analyzing evidence contained in the sources living and non-living, C engaging in long-drawn experimentation, D conducting field studies of the ruins and monuments. Right answer is B analyzing evidence contained in the source living and non-living. Question 11, what kind of problem is the best for an individual researcher? A the one suggested by his supervisor, A beaten track problem, C the one attempted by others in different contexts, D his own problem. Right answer is D his own problem. 12, What kind of variables are under the control of research scholar? A. Dependent variable, B. Intervening variables, C. Extraneous variables, D. Independent variables. Right answer is D. Independent variables. 13. A selected group of subjects constitutes a large sample only if has more than 30 individuals. B. Adequate number of individuals. C. 20 individuals. D. Around 30 individuals. Right answer is A. 30 individuals. 14. The statement of a hypothesis begins with the what is assumed to be true based upon A. Experience, B. Literature research, C. Available evidence, D. Self-introspect. Right answer is C. Available evidence. 15. Factorial design are designed to examine effects of A. Several factors in tandem, B. More than one independent variable at a time in a single experiment, C. Series of independent variables, D. Only one independent variable. Right answer is B. More than one independent variable at a time in a single experiment. 16. Schedule is a name usually applied to a set of A. Questions, B. Items, C. Objects, D. Characteristics. Right answer is B. Items. 17. Where a null hypothesis is accepted, the observed effect could reasonably be attributed to A. Differential treatment, B. Chance factor, C. Random sampling, D. Precise instrumentation. Right answer is B. Chance factor. 18. Measure of center tendency enables the researcher to A. Compute advanced statistics, B. Make realistic inferences from the computed data, C. Differentiate good from bad, D. Compare groups on their performance or particular characteristics. Right answer is D. Compare groups on their performance or particular characteristics. 19. The main result of a correlation is called the A. Correlation matrix, B. Scattergram, C. Canadal coefficient of concordance, D. Coefficient of correlation. Right answer is D. Coefficient of correlation. 20. The t-test is based on the assumption that two samples have a strong relationship with each other, B. Little proximity with each other, C. Insignificant differences among them, D. A common variance. Right answer is D. A common variance. 21. If we set up a low level of significance, that is a p lesser 0.5, we virtually A. Increase the likelihood of type 1 error, B. Decrease the chance of type 1 error, C. Increase the likelihood of type 2 error, D. Decrease the chance of type 2 error. Right answer is A. Increase the likelihood of type 1 error. 22. In research, the scientific method is called A. Inquiry, B. Observation, C. Inspection, D. Problem solving. Right answer is A. Inquiry. 23. Which of the following software is used for statistical analysis? A. SPSS, B. Microsoft Office, C. VLC, D. Microsoft Access. Right answer is A. SPSS. 24. Closed form questionnaire containing questions that call for A. Free responses, B. Check responses, C. Descriptive responses, D. Short responses. Right answer is B. Check responses. 25. Which one of the following is correct? A. Pie chart, histogram, bar diagram, graphical representation. B. Range, quartile deviation, average deviation, mean. C. Type 1 error, type 2 error, null hypothesis, linear regression. D. Normal scale, ordinal scale, ratio scale, t-test. Right answer is A. Pie chart, histogram, bar diagram, graphical representation. Question number 26. Which of the following type of research is designed to create and develop organized body of knowledge? A. Action research. B. Contextual research. C. Fundamental research. D. Applied research. Right answer is C. Fundamental research. 27. Purposive sample is a non-probability sample because it is A. Selected without using any selection process. B. Chosen by throw of dice. C. Not randomly selected. D. Selected at the last moment. Right answer is C. Not randomly selected. 28. Experimental research aims at A. What was, B. What will be, C. What is, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. What will be. 29. The statistical measure which is generally applied for the determination of sampling error is A. Standard deviation, B. Mean, C. Correlation, D. chi-square. Right answer is B. Mean. 30. Occurrence of the normal curve depends upon A. Occurrence of the event must depend upon chance. B. A large number of observations must be made. C. Both and A and B. D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both A and B. 31. Factors behind the control of researcher are called A. Experimental variables, B. Limitations, C. Critical factors, D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Limitations. 32. Synopsis is also called A. Summary, B. Research proposal, C. Abstracts, D. All of these. Right answer is B. Research proposal. 33. The most reliable measure of variability is A. 2 mean, B. Standard deviation, C. Quartile deviation, D. Mode. Right answer is B. Standard deviation. 34. F-test is used for comparing A. 2 means, B. More than 2 means, C. 2 standard deviations, D. More than 2 standard deviations. Right answer is B. More than 2 means. 35. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? A. Measure of center tendency is correlation. B. The simplest measure of dispersion is range. C. The null hypothesis which is nearly true, type 2 error. D. Historical research experimentation. Right answer is B. The simplest measure of dispersion is range. 36. According to sports statistics, more and more records are being rewritten in swimming rather than in track and field events because A. Swimmers engage too hard in weight training. B. Athletes are being motivated to work hard by the team management. C. Greater use of principles of biomechanics is being made in the training. D. Better swimming facilities are being made available almost everywhere. Right answer is C. Greater use of principles of biomechanics is being made in the training. 37. The measure which represents scatter of scores around median is A. Standard deviation, B. Mean deviation, C. Quartile deviation, D. None of the above. Right answer is C, quartile deviation. Question number 38. The test of significance used for comparing two means is A. F test, B. T test, C. X square, D. ANOVA. Right answer is B. T test. Question number 39. The real test of the laboratory experiment lies in its A. predictability, B. instrumentality, C. replicability, D. controllability. Right answer is D. controllability. Question 40. The normal curve is based upon the probable occurrence of an event when the probability depends on A. expert manipulations, B. chance, C. number of observations, D. actuality of situation. Right answer is B. chance. 41. The highest possible positive correlation between two variables can be A. 0.01, B. 1.0, C. minus 0.01, D. plus 0.001. Right answer is B. 1.0. 42. The most important basis for discarding question in a test is A. item difficulty, B. item validity, C. curriculum validity, D. index of discrimination. Right answer is A. item difficulty. 43. Analysis of covariance represents an extension of analysis variance to allow for the correlation between A. two group scores, B. several group scores, C. initial and final scores, D. two different variables. Right answer is C. initial and final scores. 44. Historical research is also known as A. demographic research, B. event study, C. retrospective observation, D. biographic research. Right answer is B. event study. 45. In statistics, a sample is considered small if its units are less than A. 40, B. 30, C. 20, D. 10. Right answer is B. 30. 46. In only one experimental factor, significance between the means of several groups is determined by A. analysis of covariance, B. one-way ANOVA, C. two-way ANOVA, D. none of the above. Right answer is A. analysis of covariance. 47. Factors affecting reliability are A. variability, B. size of the sample, C. representativeness of sample, D. all of the above. Right answer is D. all of the above. 48. Research cannot be based on A. opinions, B. observation, C. hypothesis, D. facts. Right answer is A. opinions. 49. To determine cause and effect relationship, but following methods is used: A. experimental method, B. philosophical method, C. case study, D. historical method. Right answer is A. experimental method. 50. Which of the following is not used in case study? A. observation, B. measurement, C. interview, D. personality inventory. Right answer is B. measurement. 51. Null hypothesis is also known as A. research hypothesis, B. statistical hypothesis, C. alternative hypothesis, D. no difference hypothesis. Right answer is D. no difference hypothesis. 52. Descriptive study in research describes and interprets A. present status, B. past status, C. future status, D. none of the above. Right answer is A, present status. 53. If a distribution of scores is symmetrical, its mean and median will A, be the same, B, overshadow the mode, C, stand poles apart, D, not coincide. Right answer is A, be the same. 54. If the calculated value of t equals the table value, the conclusion is A, difference is significant, B, difference is not significant, C, inference could not be drawn, D, intensives. Right answer is A, difference is significance. 55. Who is the author of the book Research Method in Sport? A, Mark Smith, B, Armour and McDonald, C, Peter, D, Andrew. Right answer is A, Mark Smith. 56. Case study does not include A, observation, B, interview, C, questionnaire, D, measurement. Right answer is D, measurement. 57. The square of standard deviation is A, mode, B, variance, C, variability, D, standard score. Right answer is B, variance. 58. The range of coefficient of correlation between two variables extend from dash A, 0 to 1.0, B, 0.1 to 1.0, C, minus 1.0 to plus 1.0, D, minus 0.1 to plus 0.1. Right answer is C, minus 1.0 to plus 1.0. 59. Factors behind the control of A, limitations, B, delimitation, C, assumptions, D, critical factors. Right answer is A, limitations. 60. Variance ratio test is also termed as A, Z test, B, T test, C, F test, D, chi-square test. Right answer is C, F test. 61. If the distribution of score is symmetrical, its A, mean and median will be the same, B, mean will be greater than median, C, both stand apart, D, do not coincide. Right answer is A, mean and median will be the same. 62. The ratio between the difference and its measure of reliability is known as A, critical ratio, B, true difference, C, partial ratio, D, none of these. Right answer is A, critical ratio. 63. Identify the standard scores in the following: A, T score, sigma score, percentiles, F score. B, T score, sigma score, Hull scale, percentiles. C, sigma score, Hull scale, F score, Z score. D, T score, percentile, sigma score, Hull scale. Right answer is B, T score, sigma score, Hull scale, percentiles. 64. A research paper is a brief report of research work based on A, primary data only, B, secondary data only, C, both primary and secondary data, D, none of the above. Right answer is C, both primary and secondary data. 65. In the process of conducting research, formulation of hypothesis is followed by A, statement of objectives, B, analysis of data, C, selection of research tools, D, collection of data. Right answer is A, statement of objectives. 66. How can the objectivity of the research be enhanced? A, through its impartiality, B, through its reliability, C, through its validity, D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. 67. Objectivity coefficient of 0.85 to 0.94 is termed as A, excellent, B, high, C, average, D, unacceptable. Right answer is B. High. 68. Research study where only views are to be expressed is called A. Historical research, B. Survey method, C. Experimental research, D. Case study research. Right answer is A. Historical research. 69. In the normal probability curve, the mean, the median and the mode are numerically equal. A. False, B. Partially true, C. True, D. Partially false. Right answer is C. True. 70. The column is frequency table indicated by F is A. Norms, B. Frequency column, C. Both of these, D. None of these. Right answer is B. Frequency column. 71. In repeated measure design, A. Intersubject variability is controlled, B. Subjects act as their own control, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A or B. Right answer is D. Neither A or B. 72. Open-ended questionnaire calls for A. Free responses, B. Check responses, C. Responses in the form of numerical terms, D. All of the above. Right answer is A. Free responses. 73. The mean will be lower than median in A. Negative skewness, B. Positive skewness, C. Both, D. None of these. Right answer is A. Negative skewness. 75. 85 bracket minus 30 is equal to A. 72, B. 82, C. 97, D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. 75. The Z score consists of standard deviation distance of score from the mean. A. True, B. False, C. Partially true, D. Partially false. Right answer is A. True. Question number 76. The short description of statistical measure like t-test, linear regression, standard deviation and mean are given below. Give the correct order of citation by using code. 1. Relationship between two variables. 2. Measure of dispersion. 3. Measure of center tendency. 4. Test of significance. Codes A. 4113, B. 1234, C. 4123, D. 1324. Right answer, that is a C. 4123. 77. Which of the following is not a criteria for selection of research problem? A. Will the problem make a significant contribution? B. Is the problem of interest to you? C. Will the consultation with the faculty members useful? D. Is the cost involved feasible? Right answer is C. Will the consultations with faculty members useful? 78. Which of the following experimental design involves single group? A. Repeated measure design, B. Random group design, C. Post-test only random group design, D. Factorial design. Right answer is A. Repeated measure design. 79. The experimental factors to be controlled in respect of subjects are A. Randomization and physical activity, B. Age and sex, C. Motivation and interest, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 80. Whether resources is genuine and admissible is evidenced through A. Internal criticism, B. External criticism, C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both of the above. 81. Which of the following is the most reliable measure of center tendency? A. Median. B. Mode. C. Mean. D. Percentile. Right answer is C. Mean. 82. The test of significance used for comparing two means is A. F test. B. chi-square. C. t-test. D. None of the above. Right answer is C. t-test. 83. The score which appears most frequently in a distribution is called A. Mean. B. Median. C. Quartile. D. Mode. Right answer is D. Mode. 84. Analysis of variance is used when comparisons are made among A. Two groups. B. More than two groups. C. Less than two groups. D. No groups. Right answer is B. More than two groups. 85. Of the four major goals ascribed to all research, which one is odd man out? A. Description. B. Replication. C. Prediction. D. Explanation. Right answer is B. Replication. 86. A tentative organization of noun facts in a noun field of knowledge into a sort of clear and scientific research question is referred to as an A. Theory. B. Paradigm. C. Hypothesis. D. Generalization. Right answer is A. Theory. 87. While defining a problem, the focus of the researcher should be on determining the A. Study's importance. B. Evidence to be examined. C. Key issues of the topic. D. Procedure to be adopted. Right answer is C. Key issue of topic. 88. Sampling is considered to be a key to A. Historical research. B. Library research. C. Philosophical research. D. Experimental research. Right answer is D. Experimental research. 89. The constituent units of a specifically defined populations share A. Several characteristics. B. All characteristics. C. At least one characteristic. D. Any number of characteristics. Right answer is C. At least one characteristic. 90. The aim of action research is to A. Develop theory. B. Solve past problem. C. Solve immediate problem. D. Utilizing problem. Right answer is C. Solve immediate problem. 91. The example of non-random sampling: A. Stratified sampling. B. Cluster sampling. C. Quota sampling. D. Systematic sampling. Right answer is C. Quota sampling. 92. Null hypothesis states that A. There is a difference between sample means. B. There is no difference between sample means. C. Only A is true. D. A and B both are true. Right answer is B. There is no difference between sample means. 93. The variables that assumes only fixed value with no intermediate values are called A. Continuous variables. B. Discrete variables. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Discrete variables. 94. Numerical description of populations are called A. Estimators. B. Parameters. C. Sample. D. Variable. Right answer is B. Parameters. 95. The difference between the mean value of population mean and sample mean is called A. Sampling error. B. Standard error. C. Standard deviation. D. Type 1 error. Right answer is A. Sampling error. 96. Kruskal-Wallis test is used in A. Parametric test, B. Non-parametric test, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Non-parametric test. 97. If there is a data which is qualitative in nature, how will we correlate them? A. Rank correlation, B. Multiple correlation, C. Coefficient of correlation, D. Variance. Right answer is A. Rank correlation. Question 98. 1 minus B 1 minus V2 over U1 minus U2 is equal to minus E is A. Coefficient of correlation, B. Coefficient of variation, C. Coefficient of restitution, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Coefficient of restitution. 99. A ball-shaped curve shows normal distribution region. 1. Samples are equally distributed and homogeneous. D. Samples are unequally distribution. A. Only 1 is correct. B. Only 2 is correct. C. 1 and 2 both are correct. D. None is above. Right answer is A. Only 1 is correct. 100. The sampling method chosen when the members of a special population are difficult to locate is A. Availability sampling, B. Purposive sampling, C. Snowball sampling, D. Dimensional sampling. Right answer is C. Snowball sampling. 101. Which of the following is not an advantage of sampling? A. Sampling saves time and money. B. Sampling cannot be a substitute for census. C. Sampling saves labor. D. Sample coverage permits a higher overall level of adequacy than a full enumeration. Right answer is B. Sampling cannot be substitute for census. 102. Controlled investigations that try to establish cause and effect between two or more variables with the purpose of predicting outcomes is A. Experimental design, B. Correlation studies, C. Survey, D. Case study. Right answer is B. Correlation studies. 103. Research used for studying practical problem and finding a solution to it is A. Basic research, B. Applied research, C. Experimental research, D. Evaluation research. Right answer is B. Applied research. 104. Research focused on determining how education works by testing conclusions. Education works by testing conclusions related to theories of communication, learning, performance and technology is A. Theoretical research, B. Empirical research, C. Interpretive, D. Evaluation. Right answer is B. Empirical research. 105. The type of research method involving in-depth study and execution of available information in an attempt to explain complex phenomena is known as A. Philosophical research, B. Developmental research, C. Analytical research, D. Action research. Right answer is C. Analytical research. 106. Which of the following is a quantitative method of data collection? A. Observation, B. Correlation, C. Interviews, D. Observation. Right answer is B. Correlation. 107. The type of interview relying on the spontaneous generations in the natural flow of interaction is A. Informal interview, B. Semi-structured interview, C. Open-ended interview, D. Focus group interview. Right answer is A. Informal interview. 108. Which of the following is not a method of certain whether two variables are correlated or not? A. Concurrent deviation method. B. Method of least squares. C. Scatter diagram method. D. Lorentz curve. Right answer is D. Lorentz curve. 109. Which statistical device help in analyzing the covariation of two or more variables? A. Regression. B. Median. C. Standard deviation. D. Correlation. Right answer is D. Correlation. 110. Hypothesis is also called a hunch of scholar. B. Tentative conclusion. C. Guess of the scholar. D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 111. Which of the following is not a name following dispersion? A. Scatter. B. Spread. C. Regression. D. Variation. Right answer is C. Regression. Question number 112. Focus group interviews are aimed at A. Homogeneous people with similar backgrounds. B. Heterogeneous people. C. People living in same area. D. People of same religious group. Right answer is A. Homogeneous people with similar backgrounds. Question number 113. In testing of hypotheses, search and null hypothesis. A. Exit together. B. One at a time. C. Or invalid. D. Or are same. Right answer is B. One at a time. 114. Which of the following is not an average? A. Mean. B. Median. C. Mode. D. Standard deviation. Right answer is D. Standard deviation. 115. The mean, which stands for relative importance of the difference items, is A. Arithmetic mean. B. Weighted mean. C. Geometric mean. D. Harmonic mean. Right answer is B. Weighted mean. 116. The average amount by which the quartile differed from the median is represented by the A. Range. B. Interquartile range. C. Quartile deviation. D. Mean deviation. Right answer is C. Quartile deviation. 117. The concept of standard deviation was introduced by A. Carl Pearson. B. Fisher. C. Gauss. D. Spearman. Right answer is A. Carl Pearson. 118. Root mean square deviation is also called A. Mean deviation. B. Standard deviation. C. Variance. D. Correlation. Right answer is B. Standard deviation. 119. The square of standard deviation is called A. Mean deviation. B. Quartile range. C. Interquartile range. D. Variance. Right answer is D. Variance. 120. Variance was introduced by A. R. A. Fisher. B. Pearson. C. Tekfoe. D. Spearman. Right answer is A. R. A. Fisher. 121. The graphic method of studying dispersion is called A. J curve. B. S curve. C. Launch curve. D. Scatter diagram. Right answer is C. Launch curve. 122. The middle value in a distribution referred to A. Mean. B. Mode. C. Median. D. Geometric mean. Right answer is C. Median. 123. Which of the following is a positional average? A. Mean. B. Mode. C. Median. D. Harmonic mean. Right answer is C. Median. 124. Value in a series of observation which occurs with the greatest frequency is A. Mean. B. Mode. C. Median. D. Geometric mean. Right answer is B. Mode. 125. The formula 3 median 2 mean is used to compute A. Arithmetic mean. B. Weighted mean. C. Median. D. Mode. Right answer is D. Mode. Question number 126. The nth rest of the product of n items or value is A. Arithmetic mean, B. Weighted mean, C. Geometric mean, D. Harmonic mean. Right answer is C. Geometric mean. 127. The reciprocal of arithmetic mean of reciprocal of the individual observation refer to A. Weighted mean, B. Geometric mean, C. Median mean, D. Harmonic mean. Right answer is D. Harmonic mean. 128. The first movement about origin measures A. Mean, B. Variance, C. Skewers, D. Quotients. Right answer is A. Mean. 129. The research method used to investigate cultures and population subgroups and seeks to describe and explain culture behaviors is A. Phenomenology, D. Grounded theory, C. Ethnography, D. Action research. Right answer is C. Ethnography. 130. The research method emphasizing on developing new knowledge and new theories about the topic being investigated is about the topic investigated is A. Phenomenology, B. Grounded theory, C. Ethnography, D. Action research. Right answer is B. Grounded theory. 131. Which of the following methods of data the investigator contacts third called witnesses capable of the necessary information? A. Direct personal interview, B. Indirect oral interview, C. Observation, D. Questionnaire. Right answer is A. Direct personal interview. 132. The questionnaire in which sequence of question is followed as called A. Disguised, B. Undisguised, C. Unstructured, D. Structured. Right answer is D. Structured. 133. Which method of research investigates the likelihood of a relationship between two variables and identifies association rather than the cause and effects? A. Experimental design, B. Survey, C. Case studies, D. Correlation studies. Right answer is D. Correlation studies. 134. Theoretical work on T distribution was done by A. Carl Pearson, B. Cayley, C. Fisher, D. Gust. Right answer is D. Gust. 135. In the positively skewed distribution, values of A. Mean is maximum and mode least, B. Mean least and mode maximum, C. Mean least and median maximum, D. Mode least and median maximum. Right answer is A. Mean is maximum and mode least. 136. Which of the following is a measure of variation of the item in a distribution? A. Mean, B. Dispersion, C. Median, D. Mode. Right answer is B. Dispersion. 137. The simplest method of studying dispersion is A. Range, B. Quartile deviation, C. Mean deviation, D. Standard mean. Right answer is A. Range. 138. The difference between the value of the smallest item and the value of the largest item included in the distribution is A. Range, B. Interquartile range, C. Mean deviation, D. Standard deviation. Right answer is A. Range. 139. The difference between the third quartile and the first quartile are represented by A. Range, B. Interquartile range, C. Quartile deviation, D. Standard deviation. Right answer is B. Interquartile range. 140. F-test is named after great statistician A. Fisher, B. Ghost, C. Pearson, D. Cayley. Right answer is A. Fisher. 141. Which test is also known as variance ratio test? A. F test, B. Z test, C. T test, D. chi-square. Right answer is A. F test. 142. In a symmetrical distribution, A. mean and mode coincide, B. mean and median coincide, C. mode and median coincide, D. median, mean and mode coincide. Right answer is D. Median, mean and mode coincide. 143. Which of the following is method of testing the significance of the correlation coefficient samples? A. T test, B. Z test, C. F test, D. chi-square. Right answer is B. Z test. 144. Z test method was given by A. Spearman, B. Fisher, C. Carl Pearson, D. Cayley. Right answer is B. Fisher. 145. The chi-square was first used by A. Fisher, B. Ghost, C. Spearman, D. Carl Pearson. Right answer is B. Ghost. 146. Skewness may be A. positive, B. negative, C. both A and B, D. none of these. Right answer is C. both A and B. Question number 147. The degree of relationship between two variables is known as A. correlation, B. coordination, C. both of these, D. none of these. Right answer is A. correlation. 148. The process of marking segments of data with symbols, descriptive words or category names is known as A. conquering, B. coding, C. coloring, D. segmenting. Right answer is B. coding. Question number 149. What is the cyclical process of collecting and analyzing data during a single research study called? A. interim analysis, B. inter-analysis, C. item analysis, B. constant analysis. Right answer is A. interim analysis. 150. Dash are the basic building blocks of qualitative data. A. categories, B. units, C. individuals, D. none of the above. Right answer is A. categories. So thank you very much for watching this 150 questions of research methodology and statistics in physical education.